Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking the pen shell apart carefully. Remove the nib, feed, cartridge, or converter so you only clean the shell itself. Once done, inspect the interior and threads under a bright light to spot dried ink or rust. This helps you choose gentle solvents versus stronger cleaners. Make sure to set small parts aside in a labeled tray to avoid loss. You want a clear work area. Immediate action prevents ink stains from bonding to plastics or metals. You clean the shell with progressive steps. Start with distilled water and a soft brush to loosen ink, then move to warm soapy water for grease. If ink persists, apply 3% hydrogen peroxide or a pen-safe cleaner sparingly. Test a hidden spot first because acetone can melt plastics. Use cotton swabs and a microfiber cloth for threads and seams. Compressed air or a toothpick can dislodge trapped debris. As you work, rotate the shell to flush contaminants out of crevices, so cleaning is thorough. You complete the job by drying the shell completely, air dry for 2 to 24 hours, and finish with a lint-free cloth to remove any remaining moisture or residue. Then reassemble in reverse order, checking that threads align and the feed seats properly to restore ink flow. If you still see leaks or clogs, soak the nib and feed separately or replace seals and O-rings. This usually fixes persistent issues. If parts are warped or cracked, swap the damaged component rather than forcing reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.